Hi guys, in this video I will show you exactly how you can create carousel posts for Instagram within Canva. And the best thing is it's completely free. So depending on how many posts you want, for example 5, you multiply it by 1080. So these are the dimensions, or you can also use 1080 multiplied by 6, for example. So depending on how many you want, you can play with that. Of course, keep in mind the maximum is 10. So first tap on create design, tap on custom size, and if you want 5 posts, these are the dimensions you need to use. Tap on create new design, and as you can see, then go to file, view settings, show rulers and guides, turn this on, and right now you need to place the rulers just like this. You need this to place this on 1080, then again 1080 plus 1080, so you need to do that just like this. You can zoom in a bit to be more precise. It does not have to be exactly 1080, but just around 1080, so you know the guidelines like this, and repeat this process. So every time add 1080, so like it's a nice square. So these are the dimensions of a Instagram post. So as you can see right now, I have 5 squares, and this one is on 1080. You can just copy these things if you don't want to calculate it. As you can see. So what you can do now is you can just place text, images all over the lines. So just be creative, and yeah, let's see. So this is what I made. This is of course very ugly, and it's not creative. It's creative, but it's very ugly, but it's just for the test. But you can play around with it. You can make nice strips, cartoons, drawings, nice skylines, nice pictures. Anything you come up with, you can play with it. So yeah, this is a very creative way of posting on Instagram. So once you're satisfied with the result, you tap on the share button, tap on download, and just export it. So you just wait. You maybe think, why do I have a long image? I need 5 separate squares, but we are going to fix it. So what you need to do now is you need to go to an image splitter called Postcron. So you just need to upload the image. So this image you need to upload. Oh, that does not work. Let me close this. So drop the file. As you see, this is how it works. And now just tap on split image. So for some reason this does not work right now, or it just takes a long time, but it should work, and you should get 5 separate square image, and you can just post that, and people can scroll between that, and it will look very, very cool. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel and leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.